We will be replacing the fog lights in this 2015 Jeep Wrangler with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting. The only tool you'll need for this is a flathead screwdriver. Here are the fog lights with halogens installed. The fog lights are here. To access them, you'll need to remove this panel on top of the bumper. There are two locking fasteners holding it in. To remove them, use your flathead screwdriver to pop them out. There won't be enough space to take out the panel without removing the grill. But if you slide the panel to one side, you'll have enough space to access the fog light bulb. Now that you can reach the bulb, it will be pretty easy to take out. But before you do, pay attention to where the locking tabs are, as well as this side with the two notches on it. This will be important when plugging in your new bulb. Grab the bulb at the locking tabs with 2 fingers and pinch them together. While holding them in, pull the bulb from the housing. Now that we've removed the bulb, you can easily see the orientation of the locking tabs and notches. Remove the old bulb by pushing down on the locking tab and pull the bulb from the socket. If we compare the two bulbs, you can see that your new LED bulb is a plug-and-play fit. The base is designed exactly the same as the 2502 halogen bulb. And the connector will plug right into your car's socket. Install your new bulb by first plugging it into your car's wire socket. Feed the driver and any extra wires under the bumper. Line up the locking tabs and notches and push the bulb all the way into the housing until it clicks in place. For the other side, you'll need to slide that panel from one side back to the other to make some room. Remove the old bulb by pinching the tabs and pulling it out. But remember to also notice how the bulb was installed, so replacing it will be as easy as possible. Remove the bulb by pushing the tab on the back of the socket and pull it out. Plug in your new LED bulb and reinstall back into the housing until it clicks in place. You can now replace the panel on the bumper. Just line up the holes on either side and replace the locking fasteners by pushing them in. And you're done. These brand new LED fog lights offer a switchback feature, meaning you can switch them from white to yellow and back again by simply turning them on and off. And see how much brighter the new LED bulbs are compared to the old halogen bulbs.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.